Did you know that our minds process images 60,000 times faster than text? 80% of how we remember is in pictures. So it makes sense why vision boarding is an extremely effective way to manifest our ultimate goals, dreams, and desires. This creative and energizing workshop will help participants get clarity on personal and professional goals. The 3 objectives are, number 1, identifying goal-setting strategies based on Myers-Briggs personality preferences. Each unique personality type is energized in different ways. For example, extroverts and introverts set goals quite differently. Some people are more detail-oriented on the sensing side, and some people are more intuitive, big-picture thinkers, and they get motivated quite differently. Number 2, the workbooks I provide will help prioritize key areas of focus, common obstacles, solutions, and most importantly, action steps. Number 3, we will make vision boards utilizing hundreds of magazines, pictures, quotes, and crafting supplies. And here's the science behind why it works. Have you ever purchased a vehicle and then you see it everywhere? What happens is you ignite the reticular activating system in your brain, and you start to see solutions everywhere for the goals that you've set. When you tell other people, you activate the same area in their brain. I highly recommend at the end of the workshop that participants share their personal and professional goals. You can't change your personality type, but you can always change your behaviors to achieve your goals.